Good evening, Southeast Texas. Cloudy skies, windy day across the area. Looking at the Horseman's Western store in orange. No rain right now, but it is 70 there. Same story. Cloudy skies over at L'Auberge Casino Resort, a member of the Roofing 911 Skycam network. Again, you know about the enhanced and slight risk across Southeast Texas. Anywhere between a 5 and 10% chance of tornadoes coming up tomorrow. A 15% chance of wind damage. That's winds of 58 miles an hour or greater. And hail damage, damaging hail of 1 inch or greater. That's a 15% probability. Again, scattered showers, a few storms coming up tonight and breezy. By morning, we go up to a 60% coverage with numerous showers and scattered storms. It's going to be windy. And then between, say, 2 and 5 p.m. coming up tomorrow afternoon, the best assessment that we can go with right now as far as when that line with the potential for severe weather moves through. Now, the line has still not formed, okay? Until the line forms, this could change earlier or later. So once the line starts to form, we'll have a better idea precisely when this will be moving through Southeast Texas, because the models will have something to work with then. Otherwise, do you know the difference between a watch and a warning? If you don't, you should. A watch means you're getting the cake, all the ingredients for the cake ready, the flour, the eggs, the milk. And a warning means the cake has been baked, it's coming out of the oven. Obviously, the weather definitions include, severe weather definitions include any tornado, damaging winds of 58 miles an hour. That means if you have winds of 50, 53 miles an hour, it's technically not severe, certainly strong. And it has to be 1 inch or greater. That means if you have marble-sized hail, it ain't severe. Otherwise, and don't blame me because I don't make these definitions, power outage index with the winds tomorrow, there's a moderate chance we could lose power. Otherwise, marginal risk of flash flooding, a 5 to 10% chance with 1 to 3 inches of rainfall expected. 4 to 5 in some of the heavier totals is certainly possible. Everything moving from south to north. We have had one tornado warning already over towards southwestern sections of Harris County. No damage reported, but we got a lot of clouds over us right now. Currently, we're looking at 73 in Bevel Oaks, Bill at 74 on the Kubota Beaumont Tractor Weather Watcher Network. In Mauriceville, Lynn is at 73, it's 72 in Orange and 71 in Port Arthur. Further to the north in Jasper at 72. At Old Salem, Stacy Brawley reporting 72, currently 70 over at Travis's house in Woodville. Can you see? Well, let's do this. Can you play the Find the Front game? Yeah, it's very evident from Shreveport back over near Huntsville and just south of San Antonio. Ahead of the front, temperatures in the 60s and 70s. Behind it, into the 30s and 40s. That means Barney Purple is making a return, anywhere between 30 and almost 40 degrees colder out towards the Permian Basin. Trans-Pecos out there in towards Midland and also in around Ozona, Fort Stockton, all going to get quite a bit of snowfall. Scattered showers and thunderstorms ahead of the front. Behind it, lots of cold rain in Dallas back over along I-35. Flash flood watch in effect along I-45 from Houston to Tyler, Texas and Texarkana. Winter storm warning, San Angelo, Midland, Odessa, the Permian Basin back over towards Fort Stockton and the Big Bend. As you can see, snowfall of a foot possible, and maybe up to as much as 15 to 16 inches in and around Midland, Ozona, back over to Fort Stockton, all being caused by this upper low that is going to be shooting up and across Texas. That's what is going to cause the potential for severe weather. As this moves overhead, it will cause greater instability, and with a strong jet streak causing lift over our area, that will open the door for the potential for severe weather coming up tomorrow afternoon. Front will make it up towards the lakes area, cooling to them into the 50s. However, we'll stay warm here in the triangle. Then that line is tentatively scheduled to maybe occur as early as 1. This is one of the faster results, but look at the line moving through the area. This will be a squall line with the potential for damaging winds. Rough seas on the Gulf tomorrow around 3 to 6. We'll see southeast winds at 15 to 20. Not a good day to head out on the water. Tonight, a 50% coverage of showers and thunderstorms. A 20-mile-per-hour wind gust, not out of the realm of possibility. Upper 50s lakes, low to mid-60s triangle. Tomorrow, everybody getting rain. It's going to be windy. Some storms could be severe with damaging winds, isolated tornadoes, maybe hail. Wind gust at 35 miles an hour, but if you got severe, it'll go 58 or higher. Extended forecast. We don't do this very often. Red bar day coming up tomorrow of that risk of severe weather, as everybody will see the rains and the activity will be out of here as we head towards evening, opening the door to a fantastic, chilly, dry, sunny New Year's Eve and New Year's Eve weekend.
Just